Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a grocery haul to share with you, and this time I'm going to film it a little bit differently because I went to the grocery store late last night. It was raining, so when I got home I divvied up my meat, threw it in the freezer, and we're here now. So I'm going to share with you all the items that I picked up. This is a Walmart grocery haul, by the way. Walmart. And this is 8 packages of ground beef. I got 2 5-pound rolls of ground beef. I'm gonna do a lot of crock pot meals, spaghetti, stuff like that. So I got that at Walmart. And I did have a few packs of meat, 3 packs of meat left over from the last grocery trip I done. This time I also picked up one of these roasted garlic and herb pork loin, and this was $4.57. Those hamburger rolls were $16, and I made each one of them into 4 meals. We also got one of these butterball turkeys. It's 3 pounds. It's just us on our little Thanksgiving dinner here, so that's all we need. It's a turkey breast, and it comes with gravy. And I don't remember the price of this. I did get a large package of chicken breast, and I divvied that up into 3 meals. I got an extra loaf of bread. We did get some crinkle cut fries, but I did cook some of those last night, and garlic toast at Walmart. I also last night picked up the homestyle meatballs from Great Value. Thank you, Meatballs. Tennessee Pride sausage patties. We love these for breakfast. And then I also got the Tyson fajita chicken breast strips. Quesadillas tonight, which I do have a recipe on, and that playlist will be linked. That's in a separate grocery trip. I did pick up some Great Value yeast dinner rolls, hash browns. The Hushpuppies are from last time, and I'm gonna have the rest. We're going to have the Hushpuppies with the rest of the crinkle cut fries and the tilapia one night. Crispy crowns for breakfast stuff, and the Pillsbury buttermilk biscuits for breakfast. That's all for the freezer. Yellow potatoes, 5 pounds of those. If you want to know Pacific prices, then let me know in the comments, and I'll just let you know whatever you're interested in knowing the price of. Connor picked out this nachos with cheese dip and salsa Lunchable. We got some SpongeBob Go-Gurt. It has strawberry splash and cool cotton candy in there. I did get 2 of these 18-count eggs. I left 1 in the fridge. And Connor and I literally just watched the Home Alone movie, and the International Delight iced coffee has a Home Alone themed coffee right now, and it's the peppermint mocha, which I thought was super cute. I picked that up. And I also saw I Love Pumpkin Spice, and they had Kellogg's Frosted Flakes Pumpkin Spice, so I had to grab those. We also got some Swiss Miss Marshmallow Hot Chocolate. Been loving hot chocolate. And Oscar Mayer Ham and Cheese, Fisher's Bologna, Cream Cheese, Flour tortillas. These are the medium ones for quesadillas. This is for a chicken bacon ranch cheese sandwich in the crock pot, and picked up some Blue Bonnet butter sticks. I will have a full meal plan in the description box, and I just want to always put this disclaimer: some of the meals won't be featured in the haul, but I'm going to save a lot to pick up additional items to make those meals happen, or I already have those items on hand. So the meal plan is still the meal plan, even if you don't see all the items in this haul. Does that make sense? And before I forget, I did get a 24 slice pack of Kraft cheese. It's already opened in the fridge because we had burgers last night. So I was out of so many things. The other day I picked up milk, so that's why there's no milk featured in this grocery haul either. because I had to make a Dollar General run the other day and just pick up some random milk, bread, and eggs. Then I just pulled this stuff at random, so this is nearing the end of the haul. The Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and we always have to have this on hand for meatballs, barbecue sandwiches, barbecue ribs. It's good barbecue. Ketchup, Hamburger Helper, the double cheeseburger macaroni, gonna fix that for a quick meal, and the tuna creamy broccoli. This is Connor's favorite. And some side items that I picked up: the Cheetos mac and cheese, 1 box of those, Red Lobster's cheddar bay biscuit mix, so yummy. The Jiffy corn muffin mix. I am gonna do soup beans this go round. I also picked up this Jello cherry cheesecake dessert kit, a Italian seasoning for the 1-pan chicken meal, and peppered gravy. 2 of the Idahoan cheddar and sour cream mashed potatoes for quick dinners. I am going to pick up a Salsbury steak box at Save-A-Lot. So this will go with 1 of the hamburger helpers and 1 Salisbury steak dinner for quick meals when we're busy. And the Northside's creamy chicken rice and the cheddar broccoli rice. Connor's been sick, so from Great Value, this is the only chicken noodle soup they actually had this day that we went. So extra noodle and chicken broth soup. So I picked up 2 of those. And the Prego flavored meat sauce. Love that one. It's our favorite. Taco Bell mild sauce and Taco Bell chipotle sauce for tonight's dinner, which is going to be the copycat Taco Bell quesadillas. And I am finally going to film the Fiesta potatoes, so stay tuned. We also picked up one of those large water, 32 count waters at Walmart too. And for sweet treats and snacks, and this is the end of the grocery haul. Also, I'm curious to know if any of you want to take a stab at how much these groceries costed. Put it in the comment section. We got some Reese's miniature cups, and we like these Lifesavers mints, so we got a huge bag of those. And we already tore into these for a snack. The plain potato chips from Great Value. We got some Dean's French onion dip to go with those. We had those last night. And our favorite cheese and crackers are the Munchies Dorito Nacho Cheese Crackers. So I got a pack of those. Also got a Fritos chili cheese flavored corn chips. I don't get these all the time, but I saw them and me and Connor was like, they look good today. So we grabbed these. And the final item is the family pack size of the chewy granola bars. You get 24 in here. You get 9 peanut butter chocolate chip, 9 chocolate chip, and 6 s'mores, which the s'mores is my favorite. Yeah, granola bars. And that is our snacks. This is the entire grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more grocery hauls. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional grocery links, recipe links. The meal plan is in the description box as well. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and today's haul included a little bit of everything and 15 meat meals. Stay tuned for more grocery hauls.